Everyone, in this video we are going to see about remaining topic of the tags in HTML5. HTML document heading tags are used to display the text slightly bigger and bolder than normal body text. HTML has 6 levels of headings numbered 1 to 6, with 1 being the main heading and largest in size. The first heading in each document should be tagged as H1 and /H1. It is the container element. The syntax used for the heading tag is HN, text of heading, and end the tag with the /HN, where n is any number from 1 to 6 specifying the level of the heading. Example, in the HTML tags we can mention H1 first level heading and close the tag with the /H1, H2 second level heading, end the /H2, then third level heading, fourth level heading, and fifth level, and the sixth one. So all the headings are started with that letter H, and according to the order you have to mention the two. Each and every heading you have to end that with the /H2. /H. Horizontal rule tag is mentioned by the character HR. The HR tag is used to create horizontal rule or line on your HTML document. The align attribute is used to change the alignment of the line drawn. It can take the following options when used with the HR tag: align equal to left, align equal to center, align equal to right, and no shade. The no shade attribute will make line look as dark gray line. Size equal to double quotes, we can mention that size of the attribute. The size attribute specifies the thickness of the line. Default size is 2. Then width equal to, within double quotes you can mention the percentage. The width attribute specifies width of the line. The width is specified in the percentage. Next, color. The color is mentioned with the double quotes, the color name. It sets the color of the line. Internet Explorer uses the color attribute with the HR tag to specify the color of the horizontal rule. Smart tip: remember to insert the value of attributes within double quotes. For example, the HTML code for the output shown in this figure. Here H1 and H1 save our reverse. It is the first level heading and size of the heading is 6. Width I am mentioning 80% and alignment is center. Color is red. Now we will see the output of this tag. Save our reverse. The heading will be in the bit and the size what I have given 6. 80% is the width and the color of this text I am making it red color. Next tag is HTML paragraph tag. The HTML document, the space is ignored including blank lines and the enter key. These are all compressed in one single space when displayed in a browser. These two paragraphs when written in a HTML document will appear in a single paragraph. Therefore, to start new paragraph, we should use the paragraph tag. The P tag is used to define the beginning of a new paragraph in a web page. It leaves the blank line after the paragraph. The text following the P appears on a new line. So P paragraph 1 and it is ended with the /P. Paragraph 2 also ended with the /P. Here I have written some of the text within that P and slash P angular brackets. That will be written as the paragraph. Now see the output of this tags. It affects after that what I have written, water pollution occurs when the pollutants are discharged. So the water pollution sentence is started in the next paragraph. So why it is started in the next paragraph? Because I have used the P letter before of the water pollution. So it start the water pollution word from the next paragraph. Next, attribute of a tag. A paragraph in a web page defined by P tag can be aligned using the align attributes. The syntax used for various alignment attributes are given below. To left align the paragraph text, P align left. To right align the paragraph text, you can write align equal to right. To center align the paragraph text, P align equal to center. To justify the paragraph text, you can give it P align justify. For example, HTML code for the output is I am using P align equal to left, save our reverse. P align center, save our reverse. Then end with the slash P. Then alignment I am using right for the same content. Now I am closing the body and HTML. Now the tag is displayed. 3 tags in this I have used. One is left side, another one is right, and another one is the center. That is given in the web browser. Next tag is line break tag. It is mentioned BR. We have studied earlier that a web browser does not recognize the line breaks. The BR tag is used to give single line break. It is an empty element. It used to give a forced line break without inserting any blank space between the lines. This is an empty tag and does not require an end tag. For example, the HTML body, center and HR size equal to 6, width equal to 80%, align equal to center, color equal to red. So there is no line break in this tag. Next tag is no break tag. It is mentioned NOBR. The opposite of BR tag is no BR tag. It prevents the line breaks in the text enclosed between the tags. It is a container element. Text placed between these tags is displayed in a single line, which may result in horizontal scrolling if the text is too long. Now you see the example BR, B and U water pollution. Now water pollution is displayed in a bold line and that word has the underline symbol, and U contaminations /U of water bodies like I and lakes, rivers, oceans, groundwater, and that text is ended with the /I. The text will be displayed in the italic manner. Next paragraph, if you want, you can use the paragraph. In this tag, we have to see the example. No BR, today India's 40 major rivers. And I have started this sentence with the no BR. It means that sentence does not have any line break. It will start in this sequence manner. Next tag is mark tag. It is mentioned by mark. The tag mark and /mark is used to highlight the parts of your text. For example, I am giving mark and the /mark. Between these two tags, I am giving save our rivers. Now you see the output. There will be a marker on the text save our rivers. Next, superscript tag. If any equation is having a power values, then you can use the superscript tag. For mentioning this, SUB you can use. Superscript tag is used to display the text written between SUB and /SUB. The tags appear slightly above the line superscript format. Example, a squared plus b squared equal to a plus b the whole squared minus 2ab is written as a superscript 2, then slash superscript you have to close, then we have a plus symbol. Along that you display the character, you write that character b, and superscript 2 slash superscript equal to a plus b the whole bracket and superscript 2 slash superscript minus 2ab. It is ended with the slash body and ended with the HTML. Now next one is subscript tag. The subscript tag is used to display the text written between the subscript and slash subscript tags appear slightly below the line. This tag is used mainly with the chemical equations and scientific data. Here we have taken the equation 4Na plus O2 equal to 2Na2O. So N2 is the subscript. Here how we have to write 4Na plus O subscript and 2 slash subscript equal to 2Na subscript 2, then slash subscript O, and close the slash body and close the HTML. Here the main concept is subscript value. If you are writing, you have to use the tag sub. In between you have to write which value should be in the subscript format. Next one is body tag. You will write body is the letter mentioned within the angular bracket. The tag defines the document's body to display the text, images, links and etc. on the web pages, and the tag contains several other tags. This comes after the head element. The following are the attributes of the body tag: text attribute, PG colors, left margin, right margin, top margin, bottom margin and background. This is the example of writing the tags. Next, font tag. Font slash font is the keyword you have to mention for this font tag. It contains the attributes: color attribute, face attribute and size attribute. Color attributes, how do you specify? Font color equal to red, and write the text and close the font with the slash symbol. The face attribute specifies font face that you hope to use for the block of text. For example, font face equal to Times New Roman, and you have to close the font. Size attributes specify the size of the text. The smallest font size is 1 and the largest font size is 7. For example, font size equal to 6. Type your text. Here is the context I have taken. So the size of the text is 6. Font size -1, it means that less than the 6 value will be the size of the text. Font size equal to +1 means to increase the text size after the tag by size 1 until that slash font. That's all. Thank you. I hope you understood the topic.